Hey awesome traders! Have you ever come across all these candlestick patterns and wondered why, despite looking so professional, they just don't deliver the results you expect? Or maybe you've asked yourself, why does it work for others but not for me? Well, today we're diving into something truly special and game-changing. This isn't just another video listing candlestick patterns. Nope. We're going straight to the heart of it. The golden secret behind candlestick patterns. By the end of this video, you won't just know the most important patterns. You'll understand how to use them effectively and avoid common pitfalls. No more unnecessary losses. It's time to elevate your trading to the next level. Until today, you've probably heard a lot about candlestick patterns, seen various models, and gotten familiar with them. However, like many other traders, you might have used these patterns without achieving the desired results. But what's the main reason behind this? Why do these candlestick patterns sometimes work well and, in most cases, yield opposite results? Stay with us as we uncover the most important secret of candlestick patterns. After watching this video, you'll be able to distinguish which candlestick patterns work and which don't. See you after the intro. The number of candlestick patterns is vast. But we're not here to learn all of them. It's not practical. We only want to master the candlestick patterns with the highest efficiency. Let's explore the most important ones and then learn the key secret. Key candlestick patterns. 1. Pin bar or hammer. The primary feature of this pattern is a short body with a very long wick. In bullish pin bars, the wick appears at the bottom, and in bearish pin bars, it's at the top. This pattern indicates buying or selling pressure, signaling who currently holds the market power, buyers or sellers. 2. Engulfing pattern. Unlike the previous one, this pattern consists of two candles. For instance, the first candle might be a small red one, and the second a larger green candle that engulfs the previous one entirely. This pattern is a significant candlestick pattern. A green engulfing candle suggests strong buyer presence, while a red one indicates strong selling pressure. This pattern is further divided into two types. Strong engulfing. When the engulfing candle also covers the highest point of the previous candle. Weak engulfing. When the engulfing candle covers only the body of the previous candle but not its wick. 3. Three soldiers pattern. This pattern consists of three consecutive candles of the same color. For instance, after the first green candle closes, the second one opens higher, usually larger, and closes higher than the previous one. The third candle follows a similar trend. It indicates strong buyer pressure. The reverse applies to bearish candles. The secret of candlestick patterns. So far, you've been introduced to some of the most practical candlestick patterns, but these patterns alone are worthless. Yes, you heard it right. If you rely solely on these patterns, you'll incur losses. The common mistake among most traders is learning these patterns well but using them in isolation. What you need to know is this. The location where a pattern forms is more important than the pattern itself. Yes, this is the overlooked secret. You must first identify the location on the chart where the pattern forms and then evaluate the type of pattern. Let me explain with an example. As we learned earlier, a bullish pin bar indicates buying pressure. Naturally, after seeing this pattern, one would expect the price to continue rising. However, in this example, we see a bullish pin bar, but the price starts to decline afterward. If you had entered a trade based solely on the pin bar, you would have incurred a loss. The reason the pattern didn't work is that a significant resistance level was in its way, and that resistance level had a stronger impact than the pin bar pattern. Thus, always remember, the location of a candlestick pattern is far more critical than the pattern itself. For example, let's consider a strong resistance level. Now, at this level, a bearish pin bar forms. The combination of this pattern and the resistance level creates strong selling pressure. This is where you should look for candlestick patterns and combine them with significant support or resistance levels to achieve the best results. A few more examples. After reaching a strong support level, a weak bullish engulfing pattern forms. Although this pattern itself is weak because it doesn't entirely cover the previous candle, its combination with the support level gives it strength, leading to a successful trade. A bearish three soldiers pattern forms on a resistance level. This combination increases the pattern's reliability, allowing for a confident trade and a successful target hit. If you found this video helpful so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. We'll be back soon with some fantastic strategies.